Had a long stress day and your eyes feel heavy? Here's a trick. Place warm and wet green tea bags on your eyes to reduce puffiness and eye pain. Well, it's possible many of you already knew this, but if you're curious to know other ways in which green tea can transform your current body into a healthy and energetic one, then stick around and watch this video till the end. Before we move on, let us remind you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our future videos. Green tea is created from the leaves and leaf buds of an evergreen shrub called Camellia sinensis, which has its origins in China and Southeast Asia. Fun fact, Emperor Shennong, a popular mythological figure of China, once stopped to rest with his convoy when a few tea leaves fell into his cup of hot water, but this went unnoticed by the emperor. After he consumed this water, he found it to be extremely refreshing. Moreover, he requested his subordinates to make green tea for him henceforth. Pretty interesting, right? Coming back to the science behind it, let's see what green tea consists of. It has tannin, a substance which has antioxidant and antibacterial properties. It has vitamin E, C, B1 and B2. It has another special ingredient called saponin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. And you might be surprised to know it also has caffeine, which helps to relieve stress. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits that green tea has to offer. Many consumers have stated a faster body metabolism and an increase in fat burning process, but this is often accompanied by being strict about the diet, which seems pretty obvious. Hangovers can also be tackled by green tea, as the vitamin C strengthens the liver and facilitates the breakdown of alcohol. Also, the caffeine triggers the central nervous system, which quickly expels alcohol from the body. Helpful, isn't it? Consumption of green tea on a daily basis can help relieve constipation, as it activates the small intestine, encouraging regular bowel movements. The tannins and vitamin C in green tea reduce the harmful effects caused by smoking cigarettes by facilitating the blood circulation and by detoxifying nicotine. If you want to enhance the benefits of green tea even further, we suggest you to try these interesting combinations. Green tea with honey. This helps burn that extra fat on your belly and makes your tea sweeter and tastier. Green tea with rose petals. Mixing rose petals with green tea will boost your digestion and it fights bowel inflammation. Green tea with mint. You can mix green tea with mint for a lightning fast metabolism. If you liked our content and have opinions and suggestions, then feel free to share them with us in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. KnowkieDokie!